This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy without a machine. First, gather your ingredients and prepare your workspace for this fun, sticky project. Many people believe you need a special machine, but with a few basic kitchen items, you can create this sweet treat right in your own home. It's a surprisingly simple process that brings the carnival magic to your kitchen, perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of water. Combine these in a saucepan over medium heat, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring to prevent crystallization. Attach a candy thermometer and heat the mixture to a precise 320 degrees Fahrenheit. After removing from heat, carefully stir in your desired food coloring and a 1/2 teaspoon of flavored extract. Now for the fun part. Spinning the sugar, you can use a modified whisk with snipped ends or simply 2 forks held together. Dip your chosen tool into the hot syrup, allowing any excess to drip back into the pot. Then, quickly wave the tool back and forth about 12 to 18 inches over parchment paper. Delicate sugar strands will form and collect on the paper. Work quickly, as the sugar cools and hardens fast. Once you have a good amount of spun sugar, gently gather the delicate strands with your fingers, forming them into fluffy mounds. You can wrap these sweet clouds around paper cones or lollipop sticks for easy handling and serving. This homemade treat is best enjoyed immediately for the freshest taste and texture. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for the Owala water bottle link and more. Enjoy your delicious, homemade cotton candy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.